Guys, so I am out here for Coachella 2025 and I'm currently waiting for my Starbucks order. This is like downtown Palm Springs area, and as you can see here, it looks really nice or whatever, but I'm here getting coffee and then we're heading for day 2. So I'm excited because this is my first year going to Coachella, and there's a lot that I've learned about Coachella in the process of like paying for like tickets and hotel accommodations, like staying in Indio versus staying in Palm Springs. So I'll definitely do like an update video on like you know, Palm Springs, Coachella. But it's been really nice. Like the weather here is really beautiful. I went to not Coachella, sorry, I've been to Palm Springs years ago, but it was maybe like 10 years ago, and I've never gone for Coachella. So it's good to actually go here for Coachella and just like explore more. So I will say it looks a lot more posh and whatnot. So you don't have to come out here just for Coachella though. I will say that like I've seen like shopping, I've seen families out here as well. So it's a really nice place to go to. Even for like solo trips, I feel like this would be a really nice place to go to because it's very fun and there's always something to do. So I'm going to get my coffee and then show you guys a little bit more downtown and also give you guys a room tour of my hotel that my friend are staying at for the fest. So I will be in touch. Okay guys, so I'm back. I got my coffee right now and I just get the white chocolate mocha. It's like a can't go wrong kind of drink. So I'm just out here chilling. There's some live music going on and whatever. So it looks really beautiful here in Palm Springs. But anyway, I'm going to be doing some walking. I just got the new iPhone 16 Pro, and I will say the camera quality is almost on par with the DJI, but I do like having the DJI for like my YouTube so I can separate, you know, my videos from my personal stuff. But I'm pretty impressed with the camera quality. So anyway, I'm going to just sit here, enjoy some live music, and show you guys a little bit more downtown as I go. So talk to you later. This is more of the downtown area. As you can see, there's a lot of nice shops, and this just goes on for a few miles. So I'm going to this acai bowl place. So yes, I'll check back in with you guys once I get there. Hey guys, so I'm walking to Pizza Hut, and this is the Hotel de los Reyes, and the area is safe even though it looks a bit like deserted. It's not deserted. I think it's like properties that are developing or whatever, but I'm heading over to Pizza Hut. I just wanted to show you guys the outside of the property. Not too many restaurants nearby, which is why I am going to Pizza Hut, just so I can have like something to eat later. There is like a Food Mart liquor store, but not too much on this end. But like if you keep going north from this direction, that is where the downtown area is, where you can go shopping and pick up things. But this is more like residential, but just wanted to show you guys how it looks. Hey guys, so it's Sunday morning and I'm walking over to a Palm Springs local coffee shop, and this is just kind of like still Palm Springs of course, but this is like the way there, so I thought I would show you guys a little more of like Palm Springs since I went to Coachella, and that's in Indio, so I wasn't really able to give you guys enough footage outside of like Palm Springs downtown area, but as you can see here, it's pretty quiet, not too much traffic or anything. So far I'm loving Palm Springs, and I'm going to check back in with you guys once I get there, but I want to show you how beautiful it looks over here. It's a very like quaint town that's kind of quirky, has a nice charm to it, so I'll check back in with you guys once I get to the coffee shop. Hi guys, so I'm heading to this crepe place that was featured on Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives. And what makes this place special is the crepes they make aren't like traditional crepes. They're like filled with like chicken and pesto, stuff like that. So I'm walking over there now, so I'll show you guys along. But it's a really beautiful day here in Palm Springs. It's really hot, but there's a little breeze that I feel. Friday was definitely brutal. Definitely pack lots of sunscreen. Try to wear a hat because it can get quite hot out here, but look how beautiful these flowers are. Coffee place was really good, highly recommend it, and it was pretty affordable too, so can't complain for California. So I should be heading to the crepe place in about 2 minutes, and then heading back to the hotel for day 3 of Coachella. Here's a crepe, looks really good. Heading back to the hotel. Hi guys, so this is the outside of the hotel, and as you can see, it's like newly renovated, so you know, not too bad. Feel safe here. This is a pool. It's really intimate. I really like that. And there's like a color scheme here. So yeah, this is the hotel that I'm staying at. I will leave the name in the bio. Hey guys, so I'm leaving the airport in Palm Springs and I'm heading to Los Angeles, and there is an Amtrak bus that takes you to Fullerton, and then you just take the train to LA. So it's a lot easier than renting a car flying to LA, obviously, because it's only 2 hours away, and it's just more convenient. So this is outside the airport.